Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to convert a Salesforce lead into an opportunity. So from the lead record, I'm going to go navigate to the convert button and click it. This new pop-up will come here. You can see there's a few different options here, so let's go and cover each one. The first one is related to the account. I can easily create a new account here or choose an existing one. Click here and I could search for an existing account. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. Same with the contact. I can create a new contact or I can choose an existing one to relate it to. And then the opportunity. I can create a new one. I can edit the name here, new op, or attach it to an existing one. This button right here is also do not create an opportunity on conversion. So if I just needed to create the contact from the lead or a new account, I could do that, check this box, and no new opportunity would be created. Right here, we'll specify the record owner and then the converted status of the lead. Right here, I have only one option, which is closed and converted. Everything else looks good here, the way I want, and I'll click convert. You can see from the success screen that I have a new account, and I can click on the link here to open. I have a new contact and the new opportunity. I can navigate to all of those from here and find the details. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing as well as checking out other videos on the channel. Thank you.